Hi students, good morning. Are you fine? I hope you are safe in your home. Did you like science? Yeah, last classes, science you learn only one subject. Yes, that is EVS. Yes, in 6th grade onwards, you are going to study science first time, science second. Okay, today we are going to discuss about what is science. Okay, what are the branches of science and some plants. Okay, what is science? What is science? The knowledge gained through experiments, observation or identification. That is known as science. Okay, simply we say science is the study of nature around us. Simply how we say? Simply science is the study of nature around us. Are you clear? What is the meaning of science? What means science? Science means know. Yes, when you know some daily life you are using some science activities. Yes, yeah, correct. Then this science have some steps. Okay, they told you 5 main steps that are very important. Okay, first step is observation. Okay, what is observation? Yes, they have so many things. You observe. Yes, you observe and choose your correct things. Yeah, what is observation? The process of closely watching something. Yes, that is an observation. The process of closely observe something, that is called observation. Yeah, next identification. The process of identify something. If somebody asks you take chalk piece, you observe after identification only you have to take chalk piece. Yeah, correct. That is identification. Then next hypothesis. What is hypothesis? Is to determine something. Yes, we have proposed explanation for a phenomena. Already they will be explaining something. Yes, already they have. Yes, hypothesis. Then experiments. Yes, what is experiments? Most in the science we learn all the some lesson through experiments. The experiments will do the laboratories. Yes, they need some other chemicals, some more requirements also. Yeah. Then next theory. Next what? Theory. Yes. All the theory, all the discoveries they will mention in the theory parts. After reading, you can able to find what is this. Yeah. Okay. What are the 5 main steps involved in science? Observation, identification, hypothesis, experiments and theory. Yes, once again, what is science? Knowledge gained through observation or experiment is a science. Science means know. Okay. What are the 5 steps involved in science? What are the 5 steps? Observation, identification, hypothesis, experiment and theory. This one side is the observation, means the process of observe something. Yeah. Then identification, the process of identify something. Hypothesis. Hypothesis means a proposed explanation made on the basis of limited evidence. Okay, a limited evidence as a starting point for further investigations. Okay, we keep all the evidence for further investigation. Further investigation, that is hypothesis. Yeah. Next, experiment. The scientific procedures are taken to a laboratory and do all the works and finally we identify. Yeah, that is it. Experiments. Then theory. The idea used to account institution is all the idea will be in the theory format. So after reading, you can able to find out what is this. Yeah, are you clear? Then branches of science. Branches of science. Okay, here in this is you are going to learn science first and science second. Yeah. Okay, branches. What are the branches of science means? You can able to simply use physical science, life science, earth science. Not these 3. All other branches also have. Okay, other branches also. Here, physical science means physics and chemistry. Okay, this will be under your science first categories. Okay, science first subject. Then life science means biology. Okay, botany and zoology. This is science second. Yeah, are you clear? The science first, physical science, then physics and chemistry, then science second, life science, then biology, means botany and zoology. First, you do know what is biology. What is biology? Yeah? Biology is the study of life or study of everything. Yes, living and non-living things. Yes, biology means study of everything, living and non-living. What are the living things? Do you know what are the living things? If you study about all the plants, animals or human, all will be studying this biology. Not only living things, some non-living things also will study. Yes, what are the living things? Hey, say this duster is a living thing? No, it is a non-living things. This pouch, it is a non-living things. Chair, desk, bench, this all will be non-living things. Yeah, not this. So the abiotic components are there. Yes, sunlight, the water, soil. This all will under the category of non-living things. Yeah, clear. What are the living things? What are the living things? Plants, animals, microorganisms. Yes, this is all under the category of living things. Yes, now we know what is biology. Biology is study of everything. Yes, plants, animals and microorganisms. Not only these living things, also non-living things also. Some abiotic components also. Okay, what are the abiotic components? Sunlight, water, sand, temperature. This all will be studied in this biology. Yeah. Do you know this biology word derived from Greek words? Okay, this biology term derived from which word? Greek word. Which word? Greek words. Okay, so here is on bios. Bios. Bios means life. Bios means what? Life. Okay, bios means what? Life. Logos means study. Yes, study of everything. Life study. Yes. This biology word derived from Greek words. Derived from where? Greek words. Here bios means life. Logos means study. Okay, logos means study. Yeah. This biology can be classed with two branches. Two branches are there. What are they? Botany and zoology. Yes. Botany and zoology. Yes. This botany deals with the study of plants. Botany deals with the study of plants. Okay. Zoology deals with the study of animals. Okay. Study of animals. Yeah. Are you clear? Here the science second you are going to study of biology. Biology means there is botany and zoology. Yeah. Here botany. What is called botany? Botany deals with the study of plants. Yes. Botany deals with the study of plants. Zoology means study of animals. Yes. Here, who is the father of biology? Who is the father of biology? Who is the father of biology? Aristotle. Who is the father of biology? Aristotle is the father of biology. Are you clear about this? Once again this one. Okay. What is biology? Biology is study of everything or study of life. Study of life or study of everything. Okay. This biology word derived from Greek word. Okay. Here bios means life. Logos means study. Logos means study. Here two branches, botany and zoology. Here you know, botany which deals with plants, zoology deals with animals. Yeah? Are you clear? Then, here you see, today we are going to discuss some about plants. Some about plants. Okay. You know, what are the parts are present in these plants? What are the parts present in the plants? What are the parts are there? What are the parts are there? Root, yes, stem, root, then stem, leaves, yeah, leaves, then flower, yes, or branches are there. Branches, some branches are present in the plant. Some branches are there. Yes, branches, and they have fruits from seed also. Yes, yeah. What are the parts of the plants? What are the parts of the plants? Root, yes, root, stem, leaves, flower, seed and fruits. Yes, this is the parts of the plants. Yes, what is the color of the leaf? What is the color of the leaf? Green in color. Yes, the leaf is which color? Green in color. What is the color of this tree? Green in color. Yes. Which pigment give this green color? Do you know which pigment give green color? Chlorophyll pigment. Which pigment? Chlorophyll pigment. Chlorophyll pigment. Okay. This pigment only give green color to the leaves. Yes. It is this one. You know, the plants are called as autotrophs. Yes. The animals are called as heterotrophs. Yeah. Why we say the plants are autotrophs and animals are heterotrophs? You know, already you learned this, all will be new last year portions. Yeah. What is autotrophs? Why we say the plants are autotrophs? Plants produce their own food. Yes, the process of photosynthesis. So we say the plants are autotrophs. Here you see how the plant will prepare the food. In the plant, okay, the leaves are green color. Yes, the green color pigment is chlorophyll. Yes, with the help of chlorophyll. With the help of chlorophyll pigment, sunlight, water. Okay, the help of chlorophyll pigment, sunlight and water, carbon dioxide. Okay, and carbon dioxide. Okay, they prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Yeah, are you clear? Yes. For respiration, yeah. From here, photosynthesis, they need which gas? Plants need which gas? Carbohydrate. Carbon dioxide, sorry. The plants need which gas? Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Once you listen, okay, how the plant prepare their own food. Okay, in the atmosphere you have two gases. All you have many gases. Yeah, what are the gases? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, neon, krypton. Yes, almost some of the gases are present in the atmosphere. Yes, from these all the gases, for respiration we need which gas? We need which gas? Oxygen. Yes, like us, the plants also need oxygen for the respiration. But in the photosynthesis process, plant need which gas? Carbon dioxide. Plant need which gas? Carbon dioxide. Okay, they take carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Yes, oxygen is needed for our respiration process. Not only for us, plants also need. Yeah. So, we want to plant more amount of trees. If you plant more trees, means we get good air. Yes, clean air. Yeah, once I listen, what is called photosynthesis? The plants are called autotrophs. Plants prepare their food with the help of carbon dioxide, water, sunlight. Yes, by the process of photosynthesis. Yes, this is called photosynthesis. Are you clear? Once again, listen more. What is science? What is science? The knowledge gained through experiment or observation is called the science. What is means science? Science means to know. Yes, you want to accumulate knowledge through some experiment and observation. That is a science. Yeah. What are the main steps involved in science? What are the main steps? Here we learn 5 main steps. Yes, what are they? Observation, identification, hypothesis, experiments and theory. Yes. Then what are the branches of science? What are the branches of science? Life science. Yes, and biology is science. Yes, life science, physical science. Physical science have 2 branches. They are physics and chemistry. Yes, life science means biology. It is under botany and zoology. Yes. Next, biology. Yes, what is biology? The study of everything. Study of everything means study of living and non-living things. Plants and animals. Study of plants, animals and microorganisms. Yes, that all will be under biology. How two branch? Yes, two part. So, botany and zoology. Botany means study of plants, zoology means study of animals. Okay, who is the father of biology? Aristotle. Yes, this biology word derived from Greek word. Here bios means life and logos means study. Yeah? Yes? Then what we discuss? We discuss about here plants. Yes? Plants and animals. Yes? Plants are autotrophs and animals are heterotrophs. Why we say these plants are autotrophs? Plants can able to prepare their own food with the process of photosynthesis. Animal can able to prepare their own food? No. Yes? Animals are dependent upon other plants or other animals. So we say these animals are heterotrophs. Are you clear? Thank you.